Assalamualaikum and very good morning to Dr. Naliana and to all friends. We are from Group 1, we present the rules of FM. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Naliana Najwa binti Azizan. I am the first presenter represent the introduction of FM. Facility management is to ensure that this support is always available in the right form, at the right quality and the right price. There are two categories of facilities management, which is hard facilities management and also soft facilities management. The example of hard facilities management is plumbing, wiring, elevator and heating system. And the soft facilities management is to focus on human tasks, which is custodial service, list accounting, catering, security and also groundskeeper. Next is the introduction of facilities management in construction. Facilities management is a multidisciplinary profession that include planning, designing, constructing, and managing space to ensure the functionality of the built environment. It entails creating corporate facilities policy, long-term forecast, real estate space inventories, project, building operation and maintenance plans and furniture and also equipment inventories. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shoaib bin Samsi and my number is AP190153. So I will continue the presentation with the literature review under the types of facility management. So there are many different types of facility management and some of them can be different from industrial, manufacturing, construction and other sectors. For each sectors, there are needed sets of management skills and specialties which they manage on their respective fields. Okay, next we proceed to the type of facility management. The first one is the company assets management, where this type of management are specified on the facilities that covers almost all of the important parts and the aspect of the organization, such as the software license and the HVAC system of the company. So for the second one is the preparedness of emergency situation. For every organization exists, they were ready to have plans in order to overcome the worst possibilities or the unwanted event which can affect the organization either internally or externally. The third one is the workplace environment and employee health. For this type of facility management, it is to ensure or keep the employee motivated and high efficiency and productive during the executing their tasks. So for the next one is sustainable environment management. So for every sectors, they have sustainable environment management, which they will focus on the environmental effect which caused by their activities and operation process. So for the fifth one is the building management. This type of facility management is the one that handle sectors which operating at macro level. It happens when the organization determine the values of their overhead and it becomes the responsibility for the facilities managers to bring the plans into costs. So the last one is smart technologies integration, where this type of facility management need professionals in order to search through the wealth of facilities management, such as software, smart buildings technology, cloud system, and digital workplace planning, where it will be used to be integrated at their workplace and be used by the employee involved. So that's all from me. I will pass the presentation on to the next person. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Maklin Jaman bin Meman and my matrix number is AP190475. And today I will present about challenges that happen in facility management. Challenges that happen in facility management firstly is cost control. For every facility manager in most of the company face the same type of the problem, which is to do more tasks with less fund or money. Second is coordinating teams. In order to make operation run smoothly, the FM can implement workplace practice that including communication, organization, productivity, and innovation. Third is handling failure that happen. The asset management is one of the complex process that require a lot of information and idea to overcome the problem. This can happen in most of the manufacturing company which they involve a lot of machinery in the production process. And fourth is time management. There is always shortage of time in everyday tasks. Hence, to make use of this, the investment and appliance of technologies can be used. This is because the technologies can be helpful for most of the time and managing the process is much efficient by using the technologies. And lastly is the maintenance of aging equipment and facility. For each year passing, equipment and building facility are getting old and rusty. Some of them may face down technical problem. It is inevitable to replace it at some point, which it will take a lot of consideration and countermeasure, especially in the cost involved. And that's all for me. Thank you.
Hello to the doctor and everyone. My name is Liu Yuan. My normometry is AP190222. Today, I will present about the facility management organization and related to his business activity. The facility management organization I find that is Global Facility Management Association. The mission of the Global Facility Management Association, we can say that Global FM is to work as a single united team with FM organization around the world to allocate the betterment of the FM profession. The organization hosts a number of global events to bring facility professionals together, where many industry trends also come to right. Global FM allocate the January for the profession and coordinate with other organizations around the world, include IFMM and IWFM. Global FM promote the excellence within the industry by offering around a way to FM who has been excellent. And the business activity of the Global FM first is run in 2009. Global FM is a sponsor and in annual Work FM Day, also known as the Work Facility Management Day. And in February 2021, IFMN Chair John Carrero stepped down from the role to serve 2-year term as Global FM Chairman. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, I am Muhammad Akmal Ilham bin Ahmad Ruslan. My matric number is AP190163. I am the next presenter. My part is about the facilities management rule. Facilities management act in the maintenance of the building. First is corrective maintenance. This is the simplest type of corrective maintenance approach because it compresses all measures, including the replacement or repair of components that have failed to the point of being unable to perform requirement function. Second is preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is a type of maintenance that involves developing a program for the element of the building that have regard to fail to keep the asset, function and going efficiency higher. The third point is predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance is a strategy that uses data analysis tool and producer to identify abnormalities in your operation and potential equipment and progress flaws to rectify them before they cause failure. Next part is building maintenance. Building maintenance primary duty is not only to guarantee that the structure, system or equipment runs at a peak efficiency, but also to ensure that the structure always satisfies the demand of inhabitant and application regulation. First is ensure the building in a safe condition. Second is ensure the building is conductive. Third is ensure the building is unstable. Fourth is ensure the building meet all legal requirements. And lastly is maintain the physical value of asset for building investment. The next part is safety and health. Building maintenance management should take effort to guarantee there's no threat of harm exposed to the building inhabit during operation. Maintenance personnel must follow the following recommendation while doing safe and health maintenance. First is protect dangerous place by erecting barriers. Second is ensure that no escape routes or emergency exits are obstructed. Third is leave no risk along the path, for example, equipment and material. Fourth is leave no exposed electrical conductor. And lastly is never utilize machinery carelessly. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thanks to previous presenter. My name is Nur Hasninta binti Maktal. Metric number is AP190267. So here I will conclude our discussion. What can be concluded is that although facility management in the planning process should be a key element in the planning of a construction company, it may take primary responsibility in the preparation of the plan. Facility management in the planning process identify all threats that may cause accident in the area around the workplace. Based on discussion, also show that there are many important factors related to the role of facilities management and its use in the construction industry. Among the factors involved in achieving a level of quality, health, and safe services in the building, such as objective policies, strategies, planning, finance, procedural rule, and standard, as well as human resource.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Lara Swadela binti Zakaria, matrix number AP190445. Now I will continue my part, which is recommendation. Okay, for the first is accurately track the inventory and negotiate price with the vendors. Okay, inventory could include paper product used in the restroom to light bulb used throughout facility. This will save money in the long run and show the supervisor that the responsibility is keeping costs down. Additionally, it can reduce the facility cost by conducting an energy audit. Okay, secondly is communicate with the team across department and with outside vendors. Communication is key to success, and key facility management best practice is to have a clear and effective communication amongst team members across department and outside vendors. Next, maintain contractor and vendors relationship by communicating plan, maintenance, and current project service requests, invoicing, training programs, equipment, and eliminate any unnecessary tasks. Okay, third is utilize the capabilities of IoT. The IoT is changing the way facility leaders operate, with so many cloud-based facility management software. Operation facility managers are no longer sifting through paperwork orders, tracking down lost request detail, or spending unnecessary time organizing schedule for maintaining things. The IoT offers the right tools so we can focus on the things that matter most to the organization. Okay, next is managing time. Save time by actively inspecting equipment and reporting wears and tears with digital documentation for historical reference. Automate preventive maintenance schedule and keep track of complete tasks so that things arrive each day with a clear task list of work that need to be done by exactly what time. And for the last one is automate and streamline facilities maintenance and operation, creating a streamlined workflow that can be modified as needed. As an automate and streamlined workflow will help to increase visibility, maintain consistency, and improve facility efficiency. Facility managers are also streamlining facility and maintenance operation by submitting electronic work orders generated by facility management softwares or other avenues. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.